I'm oft times drunk and I'm seldom sober, a constant rover from town to town. But I'm old now, my sporting's over, so Moll the store, won't you lay me down? Just lay my head on a keg of brandy, it is my fancy, I do declare. For while I'm drinking, I'm always thinking lovely Molly from the County Clare. For the ripest apples, the soonest rotten, and the warmest love, the soonest cold. A young man's fancy is soon forgotten. Beware young maids, and don't make so bold. Just lay my head on the keg of brandy, it is my fancy, I do declare. For while I'm drinking, I'm always thinking lovely Molly from the County Clare. It's youth and folly makes young men marry, and makes them tarry a long, long day. What can't be cured, love, must be endured, love. So farewell, darling, I must away. Just lay my head on the keg of brandy, it is my fancy, I do declare. For while I'm drinking, I'm always thinking lovely Molly from the County Clare. Just lay my head on the keg of brandy, it is my fancy, I do declare. For while I'm drinking, I'm always thinking lovely Molly from the County Clare. For while I'm drinking, I'm always thinking lovely Molly from the County Clare.